What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Taylor from Taylor's Muse, and today we have a Trader Joe's haul. So let's get into it. I'm here with Cece. You want to come get in it? Hi guys! Y'all, she called me a Trader Joe's virgin. I was like, that is the perfect, that's the perfect name that I needed for that. So today I'm gonna just show y'all what I got from Trader Joe's because I splurged. I mean, it was my first time in there. I couldn't help but to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So let's start with fresh things because I got a lot of frozen things. So let's just start with the fresh things. I got everything bagels, and I can smell these through the bag. It smells scrumptious. So got those. I got some plantain chips, crisps, some crispy plantain chips. I'm excited about that. I also got this Indian fare kachari. It says it's a hearty, traditional South Indian blend of grains, vegetables, and spices, but look at the picture. Look how yummy that looks. I'm excited to try that. Then I got two of these. I got another flavor of this. It's a turmeric shot. I know that y'all gonna knock me out, y'all, for real. But this is what I'm most, the most excited about ever. And it's this crunchy chili onion. My favorite YouTuber, Miss Liz Hart, she's been raving about this since the beginning of time. So for me to actually be able to try it, I'm excited. I also got some Mushroom and Company multi-purpose umami seasoning blend. I've heard great things about that. I think it's like a a mushroom type flavor. It says sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. So yeah, some seasonings. I got some peppercorns, some rainbow peppercorns, and also I got some faraki. I think that's how you say it, guys. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. But it's some Japanese multi-purpose seasoning. Basically, I think it's like seaweed. White sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, nori, which is seaweed, salt and kelp powder. So, and I got some matcha. I'm gonna have to share this with Sierra because we both wanted to try some matcha. So, I got some shallots, guys. This is nothing special, but I got some shallots. They were 69 cents. I just thought that the sign for the shallots were so cute. It said 3 shallots equal 1 onion. So that information was informative. We got a garlic clove here. Also, I got a mango. What type of mango was this again? Alta-Ufa? Is that how you say it? I don't remember. I don't know. Alta-Ufa mango. It's a mango. I got another one too. So this one's oversized, and this one I'm hoping the flavor. Oh, it's like a honey one, right? Yeah, it was like a honey one. So we'll see the differences. That's all I got in this bag. Now let's go to the next one. It's the big old hefty the bag right here, y'all. This is where all the goods are. All the goods. I got some Thai shrimp gozo? How do you say that? Gaizo? The dumplings. So that's what I'm gonna call them. Put some shrimp dumplings. I also tried I'm trying the infamous chicken fried rice. Very excited about this, y'all. Very, very, very excited. I've got some Simply Eggless eggs. To be honest, guys, I haven't been feeling eggs recently. I don't know what's up with that. So I'm excited to get them out of my diet for a little bit and just indulge in that. Oh, here's the other one. It's vitamin D and zinc. And then also, I got some chicken sausage. I got some sweet corn burrata and basil ravioli. I think this would be really good. I love pasta. I just don't cook it very much. I got some peaches because I'm gonna make dessert for us tonight. We're cooking dinner tonight. We're making bucatini, but I'm going to make some peach empanadas later. So I got some ripe peaches and only a couple more things, guys. I got some kimchi, some spicy fermented napa cabbage to go with a meal here. You can see this. It's a meal here, so yeah. That'll be dinner one day this week. I also got these mandarin orange morsels. Sierra recommended them. She said they were really good, so I had to go ahead and pick them up. And I got these acai packets. So that's cool. I need to eat breakfast in the mornings. I don't ever really eat breakfast. I will starve myself till like 2 o'clock in the afternoon and just eat lunch. So I really want to start eating breakfast, and I feel like that will be my best route to go. I can just take one of those to work with me. I had some more pasta, some fettuccine alfredo. And lastly, I just got some frozen mangoes. Well, they're not really frozen anymore. But I'm gonna put them back in the freezer to go on top of my acai bowls. So, a quick little haul, but my total was around $90, so almost $100. I was splurging. However, I'm very happy with my little first Trader Joe's run. I was way too excited, y'all. I was in the store like, but we're gonna go ahead and make dinner now. So this is all I got from Trader Joe's. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you don't ever miss another upload. Don't want to miss it, girl. And yeah, maybe I'll show you guys some recipes that I end up cooking this week. We'll see. But otherwise, I hope that you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.